Have you ever noticed strange things happening on your PC like high CPU usage, weird pop-ups or slow performance? So you might be hacked, but don't worry. I will show you 4 simple steps to check that if your PC is infected and how to remove hidden threats. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now the first step is to check that if unknown programs are running at your background. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your taskbar, right click on it and simply go to the task manager. Now from the top menu option, go to the processes. Now here you have to look for apps which are using a lot of CPU. So if you see these tasks in the task manager which is showing on your screen, you might be hacked. So simply right click the process, search online and if it's malware, end the task immediately. Now from the top menu option, go to the startup and here you have to disable any unknown programs. This stop hackers from running apps when you start your PC. Now step number 2 is to scan your PC for malware. So Windows has a built-in tool called the malicious software removal tool, MRT. So what you have to do, you have to press Windows R in your PC and type here MRT. Now once it opens, simply click on next and simply take full scan and click on next. Now this will take some time, but it is the best way to find hidden viruses or spyware. If the scan detects any threats, follow the on-screen instructions to remove them. So you can also run the scan regularly to keep your PC safe. Now once done, simply click on finish. Now step number 3 is that the hackers might be secretly connected to your PC. So to check this, what you have to do, you have to go to your search and type here CMD. Now on the right hand side you will see run as administrator, simply click on it. Now here you have to simply type this command netstat space ano. Now once you have typed, simply click on enter. Now here you have to look for established connections to unknown IP addresses. If you see suspicious activity, your PC might be communicating with a hacker. Now step number 4 is to check user accounts for hackers. So hackers can create hidden accounts on your PC. So to check this, simply press Windows R again in your PC. Now here you have to type control user passwords too, simply click on OK. Now when you hit enter, you will see all user accounts. So if you find any unknown account, simply select it and remove it. This stops hackers from accessing your PC. So guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more PC security tips. Let me know in the comments, did you find any strange on your PC? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.